Pagbukas ng aparato, nauna agad si The Accountant at sinundan ni
followed by Israel and Maui Chopay. And as they leave the shoot now, it's still The Accountant racing on the outside, and followed by Israel and Maui Chopay.
Dito, sunod lang sa ere si Israel kay The Accountant.
Gonna have to Israel, then 4 lengths back, or 3 lengths back, coming closer, Maui Chopay. But it's still The Accountant, leads Balang, followed by Israel. And 2 lengths further back to Maui Chopay. And as they pass the half mile, it is still The Accountant who's racing on the outside, then followed by Israel.
Sa tagpong ito, kukunin na ni Israel ang unahan.
On a far turn, The Accountant and Israel now collided in front. Allowing gonna have the Mai Chopay, and towards the last 400, Israel now takes the lead over The Accountant. Then a length back to Mai Chopay. And as they pass the last 400, Israel still in front, followed by The Accountant. And here comes Mai
Pagdating sa
Chopay.
final stretch, nauuna si Israel.
Still Israel.
Habang malakas naman ang dating ni Mai Chopay na hindi lang maganda ang salida.
And down the stretch they go. Still Israel is by some 3 lengths now,
at dito
followed now
nakalayo
by
na nga si
Mai Chopay,
Israel
The
at nanalo
Accountant,
pa
and
sa
finally Israel, Mai Chopay, The Accountant.
Alright, crossing the wire first. Dalyamanong numero 3, Israel, nirenda ni John Saja de Ocampo, then masisigundo yung unong Mai Chopay, tercero 4, that is The Accountant.
Early leader is taken by Quincy Thriller, now body outside.
At kinuha na nga ni Quincy ang unahan, samantalang sinusundan siya ni Thriller.
The shoot now, Quincy over Thriller, then 2 lengths back to Professor Jones, while Helgai now running in a tail blue field towards the half mile. It is still Quincy with 2 lengths leader.
At pinipilit na ni Professor Jones na makadikit kay Quincy, samantalang si Helgay naman ay naiwan sa hulihan.
By Professor Jones, Thriller moving up once again, then 5 lengths away Helgay. And as they race the far turn now, Quincy,
sa tagpong ito, kukunin na ni Thriller ang unahan kay Quincy at sinusundan siya ni Professor
Jones. Then 2 lengths back to Helgai, and towards the last 400, Thriller now party outside, followed by Quincy. 2 lengths for the back, Professor Jones. Here comes Helgai. 300 to go, still Thriller party outside, done party inside is Quincy. Quincy regains the lead from Thriller and Helgai. Professor Jones.
Sa tagpong ito, bakbakan pa rin si Thriller at si Quincy, habang si Helgay naman ay nagpaparimate, hindi pa masalto. Ayan, nakapasok sa loob. At ang unahan ay pinipilit makuha ni Helgay. Ayan, at nakabalik si Thriller.
Finish Helgay, Thriller, Quincy, then followed by Professor Jones.
Alright, we have a close finish between Thriller and Helgai here in race number 2. Slow mo replay. Quincy ang siya nagdala ng bandera for this race. Thriller. At ito, kung mapapansin nyo, si Helgai, nung binagsakan ng kanan ni Edwin, sumiksik oh. Pasiksik siya sa loob. Okay, at ito naman si Thriller. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa labas. Opted to run sa loob naman itong si Helgai. Kinakaliwa ni Edwin, oh. Nakasumiksik ni Helgai, oh. Okay. Dito. Head bobbing sila. 1 at 4. 4 at 1. Dahan-dahan naman yan direct. Ito lang finish line.
So dito nakakalamang pa rin si Helgay. Ayan.
Okay.
At malakas ang dating
Iyo,
ni Thriller. Nakabalik.
Sige, tapos tercera. Tres Quincy.
Pagbukas ng aparato, nauna agad si Kipitaki at sinundan siya agad ni Victorious.
He's running by the second and third shine and a long way back to Thermodynamics. Kipitaki
Dahlia by half a length. Running by the rail, second is Victorious. And 7 lengths away in third, Shine and Thermodynamics. Inside the half mile, Kipi Taki by a neck. Down or inside is Victorious. Keep on matching their strides together.
Sa tagpong
And
ito,
8
sabay na
lengths
sabay ang
away
aire
third,
ni
Shine and
Kipitaki
Thermodynamics.
at ni Victorious.
Down or inside is Victorious, matching their strides together. Victorious is running by the rail, Kipitaki on the outside. Shine still in third and Thermodynamics. Barrett still Kipitaki by half a length. Victorious is running by the rail, second. Shine still in third and Thermodynamics. Kipitaki now by a length. Victorious remains in second. Shine still in third and Thermodynamics. And at the last 400, it's still Kipitaki, Victorious, Thermodynamics are the outside. Shine as the field turns for home, and it's still Kipitaki
pagdating sa
by
home
about
stretch,
3 lengths.
nasa unahan na si
Inside,
Kipitaki
Victorious, Shine,
at si
Thermodynamics are the outside.
Victorious ay
And
nasa
it's still
pangatlong pwesto habang si Shine at si Thermodynamics ay nagpaparimate.
Kipitaki, Shine, Victorious on the outside, Thermodynamics. Kipitaki, Shine on the
At
outside,
malakas nga ang dating ni
Kipitaki,
Thermodynamics, kaya
Thermodynamics,
binigyan
and
na ni
finally
Steve
it's
Hernandez si Kipitaki.
Kipitaki, Thermodynamics, Shine, Victorious.
Alright. Crossing the mark first, number 4, Kipitaki, nirenda ni Jonathan Basco Hernandez.
And they're up. Sunshine June, Daginding, then Lucky Triple Two, while Margot is running on the tail of the field. And moving up is Daginding, Margot now on the outside, Lucky Triple Two.
At sa unang kurbada po, bandera si Daginding habang sinusundan siya ni Margot.
Daginding, Liz Malang, followed by Margot. Lucky Triple Two is running in third, down in fourth, Sunshine June. Halfway down the travel, still Daginding, followed closely by Margot. Alain Kanihap, Lucky Triple Two, and Sunshine June. And as they raise the far turn, still Daginding, Margot. Now for the outside, it's still Margot.
At dito sa pagkakataon na to, kinuha na ni Margot yung bandera kay Daginding.
And towards the last 400, Margot, who's racing on the outside, followed by Daginding. Then Chilangs para back, Lucky Triple Two, and Sunshine June. And 300 to go. Still Margot, leads by some 3 lengths now by Daginding. Sunshine June and Lucky Triple Two, and down the stretch they go. It is still Margot.
At nakalayo na nga si Margot
followed by
habang
Daginding,
nagpaparamate
Lucky
para
Triple
sa
Two,
pangalawang
and
pwesto
Sunshine
si
June.
Sunshine
Hitting the
June.
finish line, it's Margot. And finally, Margot, Sunshine June, Lucky Triple Two, and Daginding.
Alright, that was Margot, written by BJ Guerra. Mga segundo yung tres, Sunshine June, Lucky Triple Two, Daginding. Ours is a silver lining past the beginning, moving up the warrior. There is a mucho.
Pagbukas nga ng aparato, nauna na si Mucho Caliente at sinusundan naman siya ni Silver Lining sa balya.
Silver lining, mucho caliente on the outside. And
Sa
6
tagpong
lengths
ito nga
away,
ay
Bosa
nagkakalutsaan
Nova
ng
and
dalawa,
double
si
time.
Silver Lining at si Mucho Caliente.
Silver Lining is running by the rail second, 6 lengths away in third. Watching in is Bosa Nova and a long way back to double time. And it's still Mucho Caliente. Silver Lining is fighting back down on the inside. It's still Mucho Caliente. Silver Lining
Sa
still in
tagpong
second.
ito nga ay nag-aabang na si Bossa Nova at nagsisimula na rin siyang sumunod sa dalawang bandera.
Caliente this time by 2 lengths over Silver Lining. Bossa Nova now on the outside. It's still Mucho Caliente.
At dito nga kumuha na ng pangalawang pwesto si Bossa
Silver
Nova.
Lining. Mucho Caliente by only half a length. Rushing up on the outside now is Bossa Nova to take the lead. Bossa Nova, Mucho Caliente is running by drill double time as the field turns for Roma.
Pagdating sa home stretch ay bakbakan ng dalawa si Bossa Nova at si Mucho Caliente. Ayan at nakuha na ng bahagya ni Mucho Caliente ang unahan at nagpaparimate si Bossa Nova.
Bossa Nova! And finally, it's going to
At
be
yun nga,
close
dikit
finish.
nagkatalo ang dalawa.
Bossa Nova, Mucho Caliente, double time, and Silver Lining.
Alright, crossing the... Dikit tayo nagkatalo ha, between 3 and 4. Bossa Nova and Mucho Caliente. Panoorin na natin agad ang ating instant replay, race number 5.
And they're up. All in front is started by Starik. It's Starik followed by Doña Leoncia, moving up now by Willis Performance Gear. And 5 lengths away, trailing the group is Bohemian. And as they settle now, it's now
Sa
Performance
puntungang ito
Gear.
ay nasa bandera na si Performance Gear at si Static, samantalang si Doña Leoncia ay nagsimula na rin kumuha ng unahan.
Doña Leoncia takes up the running, Liz Banek, followed by Static. None for the inside, Performance Gear, then long way back, Bohemian as they race the far turn. Doña Leoncia for the outside, Static, then for the inside, Performance Gear, then followed by Bohemian, and towards the last 400.
Sa tagpong ito ay nakuha na ni Doña Leoncia ang bandera at nasa pangalawang pwesto si Static.
Performance Gear, here comes Bohemian coming close now. 300 to go, still Doña Leoncia followed by Static. Bohemian
At pagdating sa home stretch ay nakalayo na nga si Doña Leoncia at si Static naman ay paubos na, samantalang si Bohemian ay nagpaparimate para sa segunda pwesto.
Static and Performance Gear, and finally Doña Leoncia, Bohemian, Static, Performance Gear.
Alright, crossing the wire first, number 3, Doña Leoncia. Then, nirendahan ngayon ni NIOY Jr. Masisigunding 4 Bohemian. Panoorin na natin, instant replay, race number 6.
And they're up. All in front is
Pagbukas ng aparato, nasa unahan agad si Success of Time, sinusundan ni I Like This Girl.
Manlot Island, one moving forward now, Caloocan Rising, while Sneaky Eyes is running on the tail of the field. And as they settle now, the still Success of Time leads by some 4 lengths, followed by I Like This Girl, Double Rock, Manlot Island, Caloocan Rising now by the outside and Sneaky Eyes. And as they pass the half mile, still Success of Times leads by some 3 lengths. Try to get closer in second. I Like This Girl, then 2 lengths para the back, or 3 lengths para the back.
At sa puntong ito ay bandera pa rin si Success of Time, sinusundan naman ni I Like This Girl.
Towards the last 400 is still Success of Times leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by I Like This Girl. Then 3 lengths para back now, Sneaky Eyes, Manlot Iron, Double Rock, while Caloocan Rising still running on the tail of the field. And final turn now, it is still Success of Times.
At pagdating sa home stretch ay bandera pa rin si Success of Time.
I Like
At
This
nagpaparimate
Girl now
naman
for the
si I
outside.
Like This Girl.
But it's still Success of Times and I Like This Girl. But it's still Success of Times and I Like This
At
Girl.
pagdating sa meta ay yun nga, banderang tapos si
I Like This
Success
Girl.
of Time.
Sneaky Eyes, Manlot Island, Double Rock, and Caloocan Rising.
Okay, talagang diniretso ng Yamado. Numero 6, Success of Times, crossing the wire first, ridden by YL Bautista.